Hello and welcome to the first video of this course. As you can see, we are ready to create our first Fiverr gig, but we will need data to put here. So we will gather all the data that we need and we will do it in 4 steps. Number 1, choosing the main keyword related to our services to make our gig. Important note, the keyword must not have more than 10,000 gigs on it, and any keyword which has not more than 8,000 gigs on it or less will be considered the best one to use. Number 2, choosing the right gig title. Try to add as many keywords as possible. Number 3, creating the fitting gig description. Try to add as many keywords as possible here also. Number 4, choosing the proper gig tags. Must be the ones that show some suggestions or that shows the same. Thank you for watching this course and I will see you in the